Welcome back to our series of tutorials covering DREAM3D-NX. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to import and read column-formatted CSV data. We will be using some example data shown here. This CSV contains two-dimensional tabular data, where each row represents a single observation and each column represents a distinct attribute or variable. We will bring this data into DREAM3D-NX using three filters. First, we'll add the Create Geometry filter. For the parameters of this filter, we simply change the dimensions to 189 by 201 by 1 and name our geometry to imported data. Next, we'll add the Read CSV File filter. Here, you can select your CSV file and match DREAM3D-NX parameters to your CSV data. Our data starts on line 2 and is comma delimited. You can also choose to preview as many lines of your data as you would like. Caution: after about 1,000 lines, DREAM3D-NX may lag. Then we'll name our columns of data. We'll name them Confidence Index, Euler Angles 1, 2, and 3, Image Quality, Phases, X Position, and Y Position. Then we'll change the column data types. All but Phases column will be the float 32 data type. Phases will be integer 32. We're using an existing attribute matrix, so we will check the corresponding box. Then we should drag the cell data object into this parameter. Now we'll run the pipeline to visualize our initial data. Let's change the imported data view to surface from outline. Now we can change the array coloring to isolate the image quality data if we wanted to only view that particular data. Lastly, we'll add the Combine Attribute Arrays filter. We'll combine Euler Angles 1, 2, and 3. Then select Move Data if you want to remove the separated Euler angles from the objects list. Lastly, we'll name the created data array Eulers. Finally, we can rerun the pipeline and visualize the combined Eulers array. Click the Array Color drop-down and select Eulers. Next, we'll show the color legend and data axes grid. Now we have a finished visualization. Thank you for watching this tutorial in DREAM3D-NX. If you would like to learn more or try DREAM3D-NX, please visit our website at dream3d.io. Please leave a like for future DREAM3D-NX tutorials and subscribe for notifications on new videos.